Hello and welcome to Hard Way Learning. Today we are working on the headrest speakers of a Miata. They're super easy to get to. You just unzip the seat here. They are located right there. And then once you're in here, it is 4 screws. And you've got this cover off, and then we'll be able to take the old ones out and put the new ones in. So, once you got the cover off there, you pull the connectors off here. Then you open up the speaker boxes you received. From Third Millennium, or Third Strategy. So, what we have presumed is that what we looked on online is all of the headrests come with the same bracket beneath the foam. It's just a matter of whether they came with the round speakers or the square speakers. The foam is different. It looks like someone retrofitted the round speakers into this car. It might not have even came with any speakers, and someone wanted speakers, so they added them after the fact, and they got those used or something. So the seat was sprayed for the square speakers, but for the new Millennium speakers, we need to make a little bit of room and then find the screw hole behind the foam here. So we're gonna cut away this foam a little bit, mount our box, put our speaker foam in the box, put the speaker on, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. So we'll start with getting rid of some of this foam. The hole, or the original mounting for the front plate is this corner, that corner, and then that corner, that corner.
So where's the box, just for sake of a little bit of template, the corner is. That'll fit better. Well, that's your pattern anyway.
I don't know if this gives any support to anything. The only other thing would be to like cut more of that corner off.
So you want to feed the speaker wire through, slide your bottom mount bracket in where the holes are. I think we'll want to leave these empty because that's what those mount to. So we'll only be able to get this bottom corner. Alright, and then there's 4 screws for the speakers. Use the coarse threaded ones. And then once you get the other one in, you'll be able to mount the covers into these other screw holes to hold the boxes in, and then it'll be covered by this thing Dan's working on over here.
A couple issues you ran into. So this is the face plate for the headrest. This would be where your head rests against. The screws that were included for the original speakers, round speakers, we took out. These bolts are either glued in very well, or over time if just plastic might have hardened up, but I'm having a hard time backing them out. So I cut this one off here with a cutoff wheel on a rotary tool. We're gonna do the same to this one because otherwise the way the speaker mounts, it was going to run in line with the speaker and hit the face of it. So the other issue we're having is the width of this one up here is okay, but the width of these 2 mounting tabs down here are narrower. So in order to get it to fit over the nub here that ends up mounting to the back of the headrest and the seat itself, I'm gonna have to trim these flanges off the side on the outside tab. So thinking either a cutoff wheel again or something. We'll come up with something just to shave these off.
And you call her a day.